Your identity is your energy. Your identity creates. Your identity influences your energy, or your entity, or your inner chi. What's going on, my high vibrational individual expressions of God on earth? This is your boy, Dr. Will Rogers, aka Master Teacher 33. Today, as we continue revealing, explaining, illuminating, and simplifying the MT33 Author to Architect Christ Ethiopian Space Identity Transformation Protocol. Space Identity Transformation Protocol. Space, your spiritual, your psychological, your authentic, Christ conscious, entrepreneurial energy. That's your program. That's your protocol. That runs your entire life. But it's unconscious. So my job is to assist you as a behavioral modification specialist. Is to assist you with the modification by making your unconscious conscious. You see, we are married to our energy. There's a reason why we love our problems more than we love our solutions. And nobody will say that out loud. But on an unconscious level, the energy that's associated with the problem gives you an identity. So we don't want to suffer identity loss. So what I do is go behind the scenes. I get into the psychology of behavior modification. I get into the psychology of success. And I get into the psychology of identity shifting. And I get into the psychology behind identity manifestation and transformation. So your identity creates a feeling. That feeling creates the field. That field creates what is real. That's why some people have a lot of energy. Some people have no energy. Some people have the ability to establish multiple identities. We call it multiple personality disorder. Someone with multiple personality disorder, they have multiple identities. Most of those identities are low vibrational. They take energy. What if you had multiple identities that gave energy? What if one of your identities was you was a CEO of a major company? What if another one of your identities was you was head of a very successful nonprofit organization? What if another one of your identities was another one of your titles, another one of your labels, another one of your jobs was you are a father or you are a mother? See, people who have multiple jobs, multiple titles, multiple labels, they got multiple energy. So people ask me all the time, like I've been doing this for a long time. Most people my age are already retired. I have no plans on retiring. Retiring is like a four-letter word. Very negative to me because of my energy. But my energy comes from my identity. So if you look at my titles, if you look at my labels, but you got to be careful because labels are limits. So you want to assign labels that have the maximum or the least amount of limits. That's your job. Even your deity, even source. When you name something, you lane something. You put it in a lane. You put it in a box. And you limit it. Not bad, not good, it just is. So we got to get into the psychology. We are married to our labels that have the lowest amount of energy. What if you were married? Married means engaged. Engaged means enthroned or involved. See, most people suffer from destination addiction. You have a specific destination, achievement. And when you get to that destination, when you get that achievement, then you have energy. Not me, bro. See, I'm married to the role. I'm not married to the goal. So I'm married to the maintenance. I'm married to the day-to-day activities. So therefore, every day, I get energy. Right now, I'm getting energy. Most people, when they exercise, they expand energy. Not me. When I exercise, I get more energy. It's called hope molecules. It's called myokines. Look it up. Google it. myokines. Myokines. So my body right now is releasing hope molecules or myokines. My body is also releasing endorphins. This is the result of movement, because movement is magic. So most people can't change their identity because they can't change their movement. So if you want to change your identity, change the movement. What does that mean? Right now, today, you should be taking action. Massive action that's taking you in the direction of your identity. You should have a wealth ID. You should have a health ID. You should have a wisdom ID. And you should have a relationship ID. And every day you should be engaged in some type of an activity that's taking you in the direction of that ID. So my question to you, and this is what I do with all my clients, to assist them with behavior modification. Because most people can't change their behavior. Most people can't change their energy. Most people can't change their actions. Most people can't change their thoughts. Most people can't change their feelings. Because most people can't change their identification. They cannot change. They cannot choose outside the box. They cannot choose to be. You can be a lawyer. You can be a doctor. You can be a reverend. You can be a bishop. You can be an accountant. You can be a nurse. You can be a plumber. You can be an electrician. It's done unto you as you believe. But if you choose to be a plumber, then you got to do what plumbers do. If you choose to identify as an accountant, then you must do what accountants do. So that way you can feel what an accountant feels, then therefore you can have what an accountant have. You see, brothers and sisters, the reason why we are married to our problems instead of being married to our solutions is because we keep doing, we keep feeling, and we keep thinking about the problem. We're not taking action. We're not creating new feelings. Therefore, we can't establish a new identity. So the S.P.A.C.E diagnostic system is a 6-month, 5 pillars that takes you through transforming your ID to a new higher frequency by focusing on the spiritual, psychological, authentic, conscious energy. So check out the website, MT33, author to architect, because your identity establishes your energy. If you have no identity, you have no energy. If you have the wrong identity, you have the wrong energy. Holla at your boy. I'm at the top grinding and shining. Come on over, chill. Change your ID.